Hi guys! Welcome back again, and for this video, ayan, very first time naman for this year na visit tayo ng bahay na. Yan, hindi na townhouse, kundi bahay na. At least, you will be free sa monthly condo fee or maintenance fee. So, I think duplex to. Duplex, wala ring bahay pag duplex. Ayan, saan ba tayo? Anong number? Yan, hanap lang kami ng parking, pero ito yung makikita nyong duplex. And nandito nga pala kami ulit sa community ng Auburn.
Yeah, halos 3 minutes away lang dun sa ano natin kanina. Ay, ito yun, no, for sale.
Ayan, no, for sale.
So, ito na siya guys. Itong number 42. So, dalawa yan, no? Katabi. Ayan. Siguro yung parking na to nasa kabila. May parking ba to?
Garage or in the park?
Garage in the back.
Tama. Sa likod nga.
I like cul-de-sacs.
So, ito yung mga kapitbahay mo if ever. Yeah. Nice. So, lalayo tayo. Pakita natin yung bahay. Yan, ganyan siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong year to. Malaman natin mamaya sa papel kung kailan na build. Yeah. So hintayin natin kasi meron siyang apps na ano, parang pambukas ng ano, susi. Okay guys, so dito na tayo sa loob.
And ito ay different na, hindi na siya townhouse dahil ito na ay duplex.
Actually, medyo maganda siya.
Mas maganda.
Oo.
Siyempre kasi duplex.
Papakita ko sa inyo guys, ikot natin yung camera.
And syempre, mas maganda din ang price. So,
Yeah.
yan, at least mapakita lang din natin sa inyo.
Yeah. So ito siya guys, no? Pagpasok mo ito pala, ito naman ito. Maluwag ah.
For the salon.
Maluwag siya.
I don't know if he will buy.
Wanna come with me? Zion, wanna come? No? No?
Tulog na eh.
Wow, perfect.
Alright.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So di nila yung Zion.
And then this is the next one.
I saw houses and babysit.
Okay.
Okay, so
This is the fireplace. Siyempre ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng ganito sa binivisit natin dahil siyempre spacious na to. I think wala yung iba. Although may maliit na ganito para sa Applewood. Yun nasa corner.
meron. Yeah, na-remember ko. Yan. So, yan, medyo maganda siya. Maluwag.
And this is the
Powder room.
Powder room.
Powder room, yan. Yes, ito siya.
Spacious.
Yeah, maluwag. Hindi siya katulad ng mga nakita natin na pahaba lang. No?
I think
Ito,
it deserves talaga more space.
medyo, ito iba yung
duplex na.
pagkaka-design naman niya. So, may ko, yan. Yan, ganyan. Okay?
And this is a storage.
Siyempre.
I guess, oo.
Lagyan mo ng vacuum. Nandiyan yung nilagay yung vacuum niya. Then, yung island niya dito. Maganda rin. Ganda.
Agad yung bucket. So, dito muna tayo.
Yeah.
May pantry. O, yung malaki din. Yung parang kila Kuya Jason na ba?
Tama.
Grand stall. At least spacious. Marami kang pwedeng ilagay. And this is
Of course, syempre, may ref.
refrigerator.
May stove. Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, normal na yan dito na kasama na talaga yan. Microwave.
At least dito stainless steel na sila.
Yeah, dishwasher nandito rin. Kompleto din.
Gusto ko yung
ito.
countertop na may cabinet sila para save siya ng space. Diba, marami kang mapaglalagay.
Ayun, gising na ang batuta ko.
Okay, let's remove your shoes.
Yeah, maganda. Maganda to.
Yeah.
Hindi siya ganun kalakihan, pero pwede na. Actually, pwede ka na rin kumain dyan kung dalawa lang kayong mag-asawa. Ito na yung pinaka-dining table nyo. Pero syempre, meron pa rin siyang dining table dito.
And
Yeah.
this is the dining.
Tapos, guys, tingnan nyo naman ang laki ng ano.
Ang pinaka-the best.
Ang laki ng lupa mo dito.
Baby, ito yung mafe-feel mo
Nice.
na, uy, pag-aari ko tong lupa na to.
Maganda
Ayan,
to.
diba?
Maganda rin, maganda.
Malaki.
Labas tayo. Sa gilid. Anong meron dito sa gilid?
Pwede kang
Oh yeah, papasok. Doon ka, pwede ka pumasok doon. Ang laki ng lupa mo dito. Tapos may storage ka dito. Yeah.
It's really nice.
Nice. Tingnan natin dito sa, sa labas. Ayan.
It's nice.
Ang ganda. Actually guys, maganda siya. Ito talaga, bahay talaga. Duplex, no? Walang condo fit to, di ba?
Walang one.
Yeah.
Yan lang. Di ba kung
HOA. Just HOA.
just HOA. But yeah, that's but it has just 2 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll go up.
Yeah. Then ito, ano rin, lagayan ng ano siguro, jacket din.
Going to the basement or
Just go upstairs. Give it upstairs.
yeah, maybe later. Baby.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Go up later. Go up muna tayo.
So, may basement siya. Okay, so si Sayan gusto nang ayun na pala si Sayan umakyat na. So, maganda din. Meron din siya dito.
Baby, ito na yung family.
Yeah. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng
Pwede work sa first.
entertainment room. Pwede rin. Then,
Zion is doing
first
work.
first bedroom. So, di ko alam kung master ito o
Parang pareho sila, baby, na dalawang masters.
na with washroom.
Oo.
Yeah, malaki to guys.
Sa,
Ang laki oh. Kung papapansin nyo guys, nasa dulo ako nasa kanto ako. Sa corner ako ng bedroom. Tapos ito pa si Emma, layo. Tapos ito yung washroom. Saan ang ilaw? Ayan. Ayan.
What a view!
Hindi siya ganun kalakihan yung washroom mo. Pero okay na, at least may bathtub ka dito. Meron kang ganyan. No? Okay siya. Then, walk-in closet.
Baby, yung view daw muna.
Wait. Walk-in closet. Okay din. Pwede na.
Sakto. Right.
Then, yung view.
View daw.
View daw, sabi ni Zion.
Right.
Kita mo yung view?
That's the view.
Ito. Okay. Go there.
May
Ayun yung
director kami,
car natin.
Uy, ayang yun ang kita agad ni Zion.
Oo nga, no. May playground.
Kita agad. Di ba? Para kay Zion talaga tong place na to.
Wow.
Wow, Char.
I wanna go there.
5:30.
Mommy, look.
Nice. Then, puntahan natin yung second room. Yeah. Mas maliit ito. Pero, may washroom pa rin siya.
Oo.
May sarili siyang washroom. Yeah, so same size lang sila ng washroom dito sa kabila. Sa master's bedroom.
I want a view.
Okay, nice. Then ito.
Closet niya. Ganun din.
Yeah, halos same lang din sila ng yung sa kabila.
Mommy, CR.
CR. Yeah.
Nice.
And
Okay.
ito yung
Then, ito yung
tama
view.
yung pag magpa-party ka, no?
Mm.
Magpapa-barbecue ka. Wow. Dream house.
Yeah. Wait,
This is
Sayan.
nice. At least makita natin yung goal.
Mm.
Kunwari kung mas mahal din talaga to, pwedeng delay mo konti yung pagbili para makaipon ka ng mas mataas na down payment. Kasi mas mahal talaga.
Kasi ito guys, ano to medyo pricey siya ng konti.
530.
Yeah, 530.
Yes.
Ayan.
So
Ganda.
compared sa mga tinitingnan natin na 450, 460.
Sa lupa mo pa lang, laki na hanggang doon yung lupa mo. May storage ka pa doon sa labas.
Ang maganda, syempre, wala kang monthly condo fee. So, dapat you have to know kung kailan ka magdo-do the math. Kung may ipon mo rin kasi yon, like, every month, ipunin mo yon 300 to 400 every month. Tapos, pandagdag mo na lang ng better, like, property, diba? Kasi nagbabayad ka sa townhouse. So, yun yung mga dapat i-consider mo.
Nice.
Pero kung hindi pa kaya talaga, kasi nga, mas mataas yung down dito.
Oo.
Magta-townhouse ka muna talaga or condo.
Hindi, kumbaga, sabihin natin hindi natin siya makuha. Pero marami pa rin namang ibang bahay na ganito.
And yan, pwedeng i-flip din.
Oo,
Yan
i-flip
na,
mo. Kasi
after,
karamihan talaga guys dito.
start
Start mo na
sa
kunyari, condo. After ilang years, ipipilip nila sa ganitong bahay. At least, naka-start ka na agad.
Yes. And ito, kaya hindi siya 3-bedroom dahil ginawa niya itong
Itong gitna.
family room. Ayan. So, one
Ayan.
space pa sana to, malaki rin.
Oo. Actually,
Unless, lagyan
pwede.
mo ng harang, no? Tapos
Dito.
ma-indoor.
Oo, dito. Pwede mo pasaraduhan to.
Tama.
Kasi kasya naman, dadaan ka naman dito eh. Kasya naman. Yeah. possible siya. Pwede naman.
Kung gusto mo lang naman.
Kung gusto mo lang.
Sa ngayon, hindi pa naman.
Yeah.
So, meron pa tayong pupuntahan yung sa baba. Nakalimutan
Yung
ko
basement.
na sa dami ng pinupuntahan namin.
Oo,
Hindi
may
ko na
basement
nga
pa to,
alam kung
guys.
basement or attached
Oo,
garage.
tingnan natin.
Down here.
Okay, so going to basement na tayo.
Mommy, what?
Oh,
that's
careful careful.
Map of the world.
Hindi pa siya carpeted.
Siyempre, pa basement.
So,
Nandito siguro yung furnace niya.
dito yan. Malaki din.
Ay, ganda.
Malaki siya.
So, basement lang talaga dahil yung garage nga nasa labas. Kasi nga, ito na yung property mo.
Yeah.
Tapos nandun na yung backyard. So, hindi na yung pagpasok yung sasakyan.
Yeah,
Tsaka
laki.
mataas din.
Laki
Pwede
niya.
mong i-develop. Oh, baby.
Ganda.
Yan, nandito yung furnace tsaka laundry.
Laundry. May ref pa siya dito.
Tapos,
Tapos nilagay niya ng, para sa mga tools mo siguro. Meron siya, naglagay siya niyan.
oh, that's nice.
Yan. Then yung furnace ay,
Money.
I think mukhang bago pa naman.
Hindi ko sure. We don't know how to read. Pero, 2019.
Saan?
Installed. 2012. So,
Matagal
ano
na
na rin,
rin.
matagal na rin.
Tagal na rin.
Pero nasa ano naman din yan. Parang
Yeah, kung
gamitin,
nasa,
alaga,
lagi naman
maintain.
lagi naman inaalagaan, walang problema.
So, tingnan mo baby yung lawak.
Ang laki. Ang laki.
Oo.
Pwede ka pa magpagawa ng room dito actually. Kung
Pwede
ba,
gamitin
room, lagyan mo ng
kitchen.
kitchen, pwede rin.
Pero, hindi siya separate entrance. Unless,
Oo.
putasan mo doon.
Unless,
Pero
hindi.
yung hagdan,
Pwede pa ganun siguro. Oo. Papabutasan mo siya ng pa ganun.
depende, property mo naman na yan.
Yeah.
So, nasa
Nice. Ganda.
malawak din. Wala nga lang attached garage. So, again, babalik tayo. Ano ba yung priority ng isang tao dito sa Canada? Yung iba gusto laging attached garage kasi nga pag may snow, gusto nila covered yung car lagi. Ayaw nila na magkaskas pa ng yelo pag aalis.
Yeah.
So, yung iba naman, okay lang. Ang dami. Actually, ang dami naman na naka-ano lang. Stall parking.
Mom, let's go up.
Let's go up na.
Okay.
Very nice.
So, akit na tayo. Ganda. Maganda siya guys. Ganda.
Maganda siya for
Medyo pricey na lang to talaga.
Does it feel like home?
It feels.
Yeah?
Yes, that was, I love also the backyard. You don't feel you're being like limited.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, there's more
There's a
space
flow to this house. It's a good build too. I
Yeah.
can tell. So actually, not pretty good build.
here. Yeah.
There's the money.
It's a coin.
It's for first mortgage payment.
25 cents. Okay. 5 cents pala. 5 cents.
Okay.
He's sorry.
There is 2 bedrooms upstairs,
You're right.
which is okay because you can build the basement.
Right.
upstairs.
Yeah. I can see.
The basement is good enough.
It's going.
Is good enough for an extra bathroom
Right.
and a / bedroom and a
Kitchen.
entertainment room.
Or
A kitchen, what you can, will be very, very tight.
Yeah. Yeah. He can go anyway. So,
You can make it a legal suite, but it's gonna cost some change of money because you have to do the furnace,
right.
water
Again.
tank. You have an exit already, which is nice, right?
Yes.
So you're down there, and the windows are big enough for it.
Sorry.
One thing I suggest that I'll show you. This. You have to see yourself getting out.
Okay.
If there's a fire, then I can't even get out there.
Okay.
That's your basement.
Okay.
How are you able to get out?
Okay.
Because a fire, you need less than a minute to get out. So you have to change this, make it bigger.
Yeah. Secret passage.
Yeah. Or maybe just block it off, make it really big. Real well.
Okay.
Then you can make a legal suite.
More to yeah, if
The
you'll
city
be-
will approve all of that. So
Okay.
they'll tell you which is good, which is not good.
Mom,
I love it back here. It's a pylon.
Right. That's what they call pile up, right?
It's a big pylon.
It just don't have like an attached garage. How many stalls will you be getting here?
You can
Maybe
have
two?
as many as you want.
Oh, really?
Oh.
You can park your RV there.
Mm.
Yeah. You can have 3-car garage if you want.
Okay. I subject to further development.
Yeah.
We'll have it developed.
Yeah.
Right?
So the rule of thumb is that the size of those people's garage will be your size.
Okay.
But you can, if the city approves to have the 3-car garage, yeah, do it.
Okay. That's a lot.
For the size of the house, it's huge.
Yes.
It's a big space, which is nice.
How about the price, Daniel?
Is it good for the
Yeah.
What do you think? This is our 5th house.
I think already yes.
7? 7. I think 7.
Right.
This house would be 7,000.
Yeah.
Oh, so for the yeah.
well,
Yeah.
For the price?
No, I mean, yeah. It's
For-
the 7th house.
Oh, the 7th house. So for the price, I think it's about okay. I think there should be room for negotiation because there's wear and tear, and it's only 2 bedrooms.
Yes.
You're in that price range here. This is the price. That's about right. But we should negotiate that price.
Right.
But it depends on how many houses are sold for this price.
Oh,
Yes.
We had it's just a rough estimate, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we really need to study like the market of
I
the,
was-
like, the neighbors.
I will send you all those comparable prices
Right.
sold in the area. Then we can really find the price.
For example, just an example, you have that like ability to put up that amount. Will you recommend this, for example, detached house instead of a townhouse? Because people say there's like a lot of payments that you need to make if it's a townhouse, especially the monthly condo fee or maintenance fee. Where in fact, if it's a duplex, there's no fee like that.
Yeah, I see that. But you are 100% liable for this house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your liability, so your home, single home, you're liable for inside and out. Condo, apartments, townhome, you're only liable for the inside.
Inside. Yeah.
Okay.
And also your property tax is smaller.
Okay.
It's small square footage.
Yes.
Right? Your
Yes.
square footage is a little bit more.
That's why.
This where is it at? Right there.
Oh yeah, it's not
Right? Compared
Oh,
to
yeah.
the one the other houses we
like
see.
$1,000 more. Yeah, for
I
your
see.
property tax.
Okay.
So also look at the roof too. If you own this property, eventually you have to change the roof.
Yeah, if it's not like a townhouse, is it like shouldered by the house monthly fee that you're
Yeah,
paying? Okay.
yeah, they are. But for this one, you have to pay.
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
That's the whole picture of it.
And also, it's called the fence politics. It's called fence politics. Because if your neighbor wants to change his roof and he asks you to change yours, because it's pretty much done at the same time,
Yes.
you're gonna ask, "Do you want to change your roof?" Because it also affects him,
Yes, definitely.
right? If you can't do it, then he's gonna, "Well, you gotta do it," right? That's kind of like in between conversation between you and your neighbor
Okay.
for a duplex, because you can actually change it anytime you want to, because you actually own here from there, he owns the other side. That's
Okay.
fence politics is your fence. Like you do a garage, right?
Mm-hmm.
A garage too is like, okay, but I want to have a bigger garage. You have to ask your neighbor. It's okay to have a bigger garage.
Okay, there's really pros and cons in every property.
Yes. Because ideally you're living with your neighbor.
Right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Single home, townhome or not, you're still living with neighbors.
Right.
Especially the one the first time we saw.
Right.
Living
So,
downstairs.
there's downstairs.
We have to, because we're Filipinos, we have to say hi,
Right.
make friends, right? If you make friends with a lot of people, there's a big chance of yeah, for sure, make a bigger fence. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Because the fence need to be, I think, 6 foot high.
Yeah.
But if your neighbor said you can put a lattice, this is called a lattice, there because they can see each other. Okay, I'm fine with that. 'Cause the bylaw says only 6 feet, but if you can put 8 feet with the neighbors okay, then you're okay.
Okay.
You have to know your neighbor. That's why I call it fence politics.
Okay.
Because when you put up your fence, they have to pay half, and you have to pay half.
Okay.
Mm.
At least we know now like
Dami natin natututunan kay Daniel, ha?
kapag gaya
That's
naman
good.
duplex na yung galaw tsaka yung fence kasi nga napakalawak.
Yeah. So, for example, that fence now, you can see it tilting a bit. If you look this way, that fence is tilting a tiny bit this way.
Uh-huh.
So, what if the fence go this way? you have to talk to your neighbor. We have to fix a fence. The fence might cost $1,000, so 500 for you, 500 for me. Is that okay? If you're good with your neighbor and they're good with you, yeah, here's $500. If you guys are fighting, there's a more likely to say, no, I'm not gonna put the fence up. That's why it calls fence politics.
Nice. At least.
How to move around if this is what we're, for example, we're getting, or if it's a townhouse, or if a condo, right? But yeah, everything is so pricey now. Like the condo, we check, like there's already a 450,000 condo.
That's too much.
The way you look at it is that any house you pick is an upgrade for you.
Yeah.
Any house can be a home. Like totally. Like it depends on you guys. This could be your home or the other one too. It depends how you want to live.
But this is it feeling.
Yeah. There's no such thing as a perfect home.
Right.
I just want to get it straight out there. There's no such thing. You just have to find something that you like that you can live with. You cannot live without a garage. We have to get a garage. If you can live without it, that's okay. If you cannot live without a gas stove, we have to make sure there's a possibility to get a gas stove. It totally depends on you, because you don't want to limit yourself for something just because of the community, just because of the size of the house.
Right.
Find something that's your boundaries. That's why more houses you see, the better for you. You see your boundaries, you see your limits.
Yeah.
But yeah, as of now, I think I can see that. Yeah, this one is nice. Right. We just need to prepare like other things that we don't like usually prepare if this is a townhouse, because there will be more responsibilities now. Like if you're a duplex owner.
I think either or, and anyone who owns a house, a home, there's responsibility. It depends how much liability you want to take in. Ideally, it's all about liability.
Definitely.
Townhomes or not.
If it's a duplex, you need to shovel your own, right? Or there's like someone who will be responsible. Okay. Compared to a townhouse, there will be sometimes snow removal included.
Townhouse, which you will have snow removal included. This one you will take care of it.
And this is a huge backyard you need to
also,
take care.
Not just a shovel. For example, you don't do your lawn. And there is dandelions and weed.
Okay.
The city will take at you.
Yes.
Because those seeds from the weed, even wildflowers, goes to the neighbors.
Right.
So you have to take care of it.
Okay.
The city will send you letters.
Nice to know. Yeah, a lot of things to learn.
So that's owning a home. But that's pride of ownership, right? The more responsibility you have in your home, the more pride of ownership you'll have. You'll take care of the things you want and make sure to last you for a long time.
Alright, so
Thank you.
galing. Nice. Pero sobrang ganda niya.
Magandang bahay. I really like it. I like the backyard.
Yeah, I like it too.
This house is nicely built. It's a good neighborhood too. There's so much possibility. If you are a mechanic or if you have an RV, you do so much with that backyard.
Sabi ko nga kay Alvin, ano ba, yung gagawin mo sa space na yan. Kasi you have to, kasi kapag may property na ganyan, you have to pay the property tax. Kasama yan.
Sabi nga ni Daniel. Medyo malaki yung tax.
Yeah, of course. Kasi you have bigger backyard.
Oh, nice.
So, ayun guys, no? Ang ating house tour sa isang duplex house dito sa Auburn. So, what can you say about the duplex house, baby?
Maganda.
Napakaganda niya.
Sobrang ganda.
Siyempre, napakaganda din ng presyo. So, nasa 530,000 nga pala yun. So, i-balance nyo kapag sasabihin nyo konti na lang idagdag, hindi yun konti from your yung baseline na amount tapos na kaya mo, tapos magdadagdag ka para mawala yung mga condo fee monthly na or maintenance fee. So medyo mabigat din yon. So assess nyo kung ano ba yung needs nyo. Napakalaki pa ng backyard. Parang iniisip ko parang hindi pa namin kaya or ready kapag mag-handle ng lahat ng problema sa isang bahay.
Kasi yun nga guys, kagandahan lang dito talaga, wala siyang condo fee.
Yes.
Yun nga lang, ang magiging problema dyan, una, malaki yung tax.
Kasi
Mahalin tax?
buong backyard
Oo.
tataksan sa'yo eh. Yan, lote mo lahat yan eh.
Then pangalawa, pag may nasira nga sa bahay mo, in or out man yan, ikaw talaga magpo-provide lahat.
Yes.
Unlike kapag may mga condo fee, yung outside ng bahay mo, sagot na kung
na-handle
ano,
na
ano ka.
ng fee.
So yun yung pagkakaiba.
Tama naman si Kuya Daniel, walang perfect talaga. May pros and cons bawat type ng property. And nasa iyo kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong i-meet. Yan.
Saka of course, syempre sa budget
Oo.
din. Especially budget. Kagaya namin guys, na nag-uumpisa pa lang. So, sabi ko nga, hindi namin
smaller
kailangan
size pa kami.
Oo, maghangad ng malaking bahay talaga. Kasi 3 lang naman kami.
Yes. At least nakita namin, ready na ba kami sa ganito or ano ba yung, kung ano lang yung sasakto sa budget yan. Kaysa yung pilitin natin yung goal or dream house agad na maghihirap kami na pagbabayad ng property tax, ng mortgage, di ba?
Totoo.
Yan. So, ayun lang naman. At least napakita natin. I think ang hindi pa lang natin na try din, yan,
Condo.
which is dapat din i-consider namin, kasi nga small family pa lang naman kami, is yung condo. So, yun, another or different type na naman yun ng payment. Yan, mas mahal lang yung condo fee kaysa sa mga like maintenance fee ng mga townhouses. Kasi minsan, sinasama na nila doon yung mga heat and water. Yun. So, I hope yan, makatingin din tayo ng okay na condo. Yan. At somehow, we're looking at 3-bedroom din. Yan, 3-bedroom townhouse or 3-bedroom condo para hindi na mahirapan mag-upgrade later on kapag, for example, may guest or visitor ka. So, I think hanggang dito na lang muna. Maraming salamat na naman sa pagsama sa aming tour ngayong araw. So, yeah, we'll see you again on the next one. Peace!